Hey guys, I was talking about airsoft with my guys, my friends, you. About maybe you guys want to make a team or buy some guns, play with me. So yeah, here's the two M4s that I showed you guys on the pictures. Just want to give a demonstration. I took the mags out so it wouldn't shoot anything because it'll go through walls and flesh. So this is my brother-in-law's. It shoots faster than mine. Here. Um, yep. And then here's mine, the black one. It doesn't shoot as fast, but it's stronger. So power over speed. So I haven't bought any pistols yet, but going to. So peace.